Okay, hi guys. So this is the tutorial how to load the IV range, which is the implied volatility range for each day. So let's start. Okay, so we go to this edit study symbol, we go to create, and then delete this all. You just have to copy and paste the IV range and just have to name it probably IV range. Okay, all right, cool. So once I load it in, let me see. Okay, so there's a range here. So actually, we need to adjust the range manually every day. For example, you can refer back to the IV daily IV. For example, there is an option change whereby you can see all the IV percentage. So from here, we are taking reference of yesterday. So IV1 is always a zero expiration date. So and then this is the expected move range, plus and minus. So I will say yesterday is less than 20% IV. So I'm taking probably 1.5 plus minus 1.5. Okay. So yesterday is based on open. Open is here, so 1.5. Actually, it doesn't go. I think the open is around 390, and the lowest goes to 388.5. So actually, yesterday is not volatile. It's totally kind of very ranging. So, but the IV actually expecting low volatility as well. So it's around plus minus 1.5. All right, cool guys.